stick mo.
So Steven, I want to write in understanding that it is so cool.
Siya, no!
Based on your interest in crypto.
Mababasag matigas na yan.
I was once very
It's not allowed anymore. Come here.
cryptocurrencies and the coins and stuff, but then the more I look into it,
Come.
the more I get obsessed and like.
No, kasi nanak, no. Give it to mommy na.
The more I study into it,
Give to
the
mommy
less
na remote
interest I
na po.
actually have for cryptocurrencies and more about policies. So yeah, I guess it kind of like gradually just.
No, Sienna, please, no.
And yeah.
No, come to mommy. Give mommy. Ay, very good naman.
Ano ka sa lolo mong drama, no? Best actor, ah.
Yeah, sure.
Si Lolo Tony, Lolo Tony, no, actor yun eh. Best actor.
Ay, wow. Naman ako na.
Similar problem.
Pero kaping-kaping naman.
And what a secret straw is
Thank you.
Hindi mo mamasyal tayo mamaya, ah. Anong gusto mong suotin?